Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to turn leads into customers. These are some principles that you should follow. Once you have the lead, you then need to convert that lead into a customer. After all, if you have leads but you're not making any sales, then there's no point generating any leads at the start. The first principle is to make sure you always follow up on your leads. You don't want to leave them in the dark. What you want to do is train them and educate them to learn about your brand, your product, and teach them to consume your product as well. In sales, people don't buy until the 7th or 8th exposure. This means the more exposed your customer is to your brand, the more likely they'll buy your product. So use email marketing services such as Aweber, GetResponse, Ontraport, and Infusionsoft to send those follow-up emails or messages. And by doing so, you're building trust. People buy from people, not companies. And you build trust by offering a lot of value to your leads. This doesn't mean you should give everything away, and it doesn't mean that you should give too little away. Offer value in many forms such as video, audio, blog posts, articles, and emails. The only thing that separates you is you, okay? You are authentic, you are unique, and that's what's going to make you different from your competition. It's important in this day and age to be unique. You need a unique selling proposition. What makes you different to the rest? All these factors and principles play a role in turning your leads into customers. More importantly, your goal should be to always help your customers get results. When you can help your customers get results, that's when the magic happens. They'll tell their friends, their followers, and their audience about your product and your brand. If you implement all these factors into your marketing, you'll turn more leads into customers.